Microsoft's AI-102 exam is retired. Let's break down the new AI-103 path and update your study plan. As of June 30th, 2026, Microsoft has officially retired exam AI-102 and the associated Azure AI Engineer Associate certification. If you're starting your Azure AI journey now, your path is clear. Focus exclusively on the new exam AI-103. Passing it earns you the Microsoft Certified Azure AI Apps and Agents Developer Associate credential. If you already hold the older certification, it will remain valid on your transcript until it expires, but it can no longer be renewed. This change isn't just a rebrand, it's a fundamental shift. The biggest change is in the exam's center of gravity. On the final AI-102 outline, generative AI was weighted at 15 to 20%, with agentic solutions as a minor topic at just 5 to 10%. On AI-103, these are combined into a single massive domain called Implement Generative AI and Agentic Solutions, which now accounts for 30 to 35% of your score. This makes it the largest and most critical part of the exam, signaling a major industry shift toward agent-based AI development. So what does Microsoft mean by agentic solutions? This goes far beyond simple chatbots. The AI-103 exam expects you to build AI agents that can use tools like calling a function or searching a database. You'll need to manage their conversation memory, orchestrate workflows between multiple agents, and implement safeguards for autonomous tasks. The focus is on practical application, defining agent roles and goals, creating tool schemas, tracing execution, and analyzing errors. This is about building AI that can act, not just respond. Underpinning this new focus is Microsoft Foundry. While Foundry was present in the final days of AI-102, AI-103 treats it as the default operating system for nearly every task. The exam tests your ability to use Foundry to plan and manage your entire solution. This includes choosing services for generative tasks and vector search, setting up projects and deployments, managing quotas and costs, monitoring for drift and safety events, and applying responsible AI guardrails across all your generative and agentic systems. If you already studied for AI-102, you don't have to throw all your work away. Core skills in Azure AI Search for vector and hybrid retrieval, document intelligence pipelines, and responsible AI principles like content filters and safety monitoring are still highly valuable. However, you must deprioritize deep study of older workflows like conversational language understanding, or CLU, and custom question answering. Also, stop thinking of services in silos. AI-103 requires you to integrate them within a Foundry project to build a cohesive application. To bridge the gap from AI-102 knowledge to an AI-103 pass, you must add hands-on labs in 3 key areas. First, build a complete Foundry project with model deployment and cost controls. Second, create a Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, application that grounds answers in your own data and measures the quality of its responses. Finally, and most critically, build an agent that uses at least 2 tools, has a memory strategy, and includes a safeguard or approval path. These practical skills are what the new exam tests. The shift from AI-102 to AI-103 is significant, but you don't have to start from scratch. By focusing on Microsoft Foundry, Agentic Solutions, and RAG, you can successfully migrate your study plan. To put this knowledge into practice, visit the full blog post linked below and start drilling with our free AI-103 practice questions on Open Exam Prep. Get hands-on and get certified with the skills that matter today.